Welcome to this video on setting up course completion. When looking at course completion, the first thing to start with is activity level completion. You'll need to decide which of your activities you want to contribute to completion of the course, and then make sure that this is being tracked. For example, here I've got a SCORM activity which my learners must complete. I can set up completion of this activity by going to the activity settings and completing the activity completion section. You've got a range of options for whether and how a learner can complete the activity. In this case, I want the activity to be marked as complete in TotalLearn when the SCORM object passes a completion status to the LMS. Once you've set up completion for all your activities, it's time to set up course completion. Here you have a range of options for course completion. The most common is activity completion, but you can also award completion based on completion of other courses, enrollment period, or grade. Or you could allow learners or other users to manually mark the course as complete. Using the completion requirements field, you can also decide whether learners must meet one or all of the criteria you set to complete a course. For example, you could say that they must complete all of the activities and complete a related course. In my case, I only need learners to complete my SCORM activity to complete the course, so I'll go to Activity Completion. In this section, you'll see all of the activities which are tracking completion. In my case, it's just the SCORM activity. Checking this box tells the system that this activity is a requirement to complete this course. When I save my changes, you'll see that this note appears. If the changes I've made mean that any learners have now completed the course, this will be updated on the system when the cron runs. A couple of other tips for course completion. Firstly, if you allow learners to mark themselves as complete, you should also turn on the self-completion block on the course page. And if you are basing course completion on activity completion, it's a good idea to turn on the course completion status block. You might have noticed we use this block in this Academy course. If you find yourself needing to mark an activity or course complete for a particular learner, you can do this using the completion editor, which is commonly used for awarding recognition of prior learning. This is covered in another video. And finally, what happens if you want to make a change once learners have started completing your activities and courses? Maybe the standard pass mark across your organisation has changed, or you need them to take a further activity for regulatory reasons. If you do need to make a change later, the system will give you the option to make the change and delete existing completions, so those learners will have to complete again under the new criteria, or to change the settings and keep completion data. So that's setting up activity completion and course completion criteria in TotalLearn. Why not have a go at setting up course completion in one of your courses today?